Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add red face effect or angry effect to your video in CapCut mobile application. Okay, let's get started. Here I have prepared my video on my CapCut application, and I'm going to add the angry effect to this video. If you want to do that, first thing first, we can go to the effect section, and then we have to choose the body effect. In this body effect, we can go to the mood category. This one, guys. Go to mood, and here the red face we can apply. We just need to click on it, and then the effect will be automatically applied to our video. And we can also customize the effect or adjust the effect. You just need to click on adjust, and we can adjust the sticker, atmosphere, and also the size. And I'm just going to increase the size and the atmosphere as well. Okay, then click on this check mark, and I'm going to make this effect align with my video. So I'm going to extend it like this, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can add the red face or angry face effect to our video in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.